Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to run MapReduce program using AWS EMR. So using AWS EMR you can launch a multi-node cluster and run your program on that. Once your program is finished, then it will automatically shut down the EMR cluster. Okay, for running the MapReduce program on EMR cluster, we will be running a simple word count program. So uh, I am not going to explain how to write a word count program in MapReduce. So I will just provide you the source code. It will be a zip file and we will be using that code. So in next video I can show you how to run, how to write a MapReduce program. For time being you just use the code which is provided by me. So let us go and download the code. So it is provided at this location. I am just copying that location to the browser and it is downloading. So now it is downloaded. Let us show it in a folder. Okay, word count 1.zip. I copy it and put it in D colon and let us make it workspace folder here. So in this workspace folder I am going to put this jar and I am going to unzip it. Now let us unzip it, this folder. So I am going to unzip it. So 7zip I am going to use and say extract here, and it will extract it here. So word count folder is extruded extracted. Now let us run the Eclipse. So in the Eclipse we are going to run it like this. Okay, now word count program is extracted. So now let us go and run the Eclipse. So now I am going to run the Eclipse. Eclipse is starting up. Please wait for some time. Let Eclipse come up. Okay, now I am going to use D colon workspace. So that is a new workspace we are going to create. So it will be a single program. I am creating new workspace so that you can see how it will look like when you integrate it into a new workspace. So you create a folder called workspace and extract the source code word count there. And after that, once the Eclipse is started, now this is how it starts. So there are options like you can create a multiple type of project. So I am not going to create a project, but going to import that the word count project which are downloaded from the internet, basically from bigdata.with.jaswant.com. So you go and you say import, and you say you want to import an existing Maven project. Existing Maven project you are going to import. Okay. So there is a under D colon workspace there is a word count folder. I am selecting that folder. It is importing the POM file, and I will say finish. So it is importing the project into the workspace. So now it is imported. Now you can see the target folder is basically empty. So let us build it. So if you right click it and you say run as Maven install, so it will start building it. It is building it. So now it is built. It took 3.9 seconds, but in case of your first build it may be longer because it need to download dependency from the internet. In my case it was dependency was already available in the local system, so it took less time, but in case of your first build it will take more time. And now you can see the word count 0.0.1-snapshot.jar is built. So this jar we are going to use for EMR project, and this is the class which we will be using. This is our main class, so it will be com.word count. Let me note that it down. This is package name, and this is my main class. So this will be the class which we will be using, and after that, now let us build the basically data. So when you are running MapReduce program, so you will be requiring input data. So now we are going to build the incoming data. Okay, let me start the AWS instance. We will be building data there. So this is my AWS console. So I have an instance, pre-instance. So I am going to start it. I will start this instance. Yes, I want to start. So now it is coming up. Let us wait for some time. It is initializing. It is still initializing. It will take a minute or two to come up. Okay, it is running. Okay, the public IP address is provided. So let me use that public IP address, and I will go to D colon. Let me go to D colon, and there is putty. Let me start putty.exe, and I will paste the public IP address here. Under SSH authenticate, I am going to select the private key, and I say open. So it is showing the public key warning, and I will say yes, and username I am going to provide CentOS. So now I am logged in. Now let me download the data program. So it is start.gz. So I am going to use wget for getting it. Wget, and insert this URL. So wget is not available. So I think curl is available. So let me download it using curl. Okay, it is a binary file, and then options. Let us see how it works. -o. Okay. So how do I save it to a file? Okay. Earlier we used -o, minus capital O. Let me try that. Curl minus capital O. So it is going to download this file. So it is downloaded. It is available here. So let me do unzip it, untar it basically. Tar minus xvzf and big text. So I am noting it down. So I will provide it to you in Node. Okay, let me do down the curl command also. So I am noting it down so that I can provide you in notes. Okay, now you have a folder called big text. So we go into the folder big text, and there is one complete work. This is complete work of Shakespeare. Download a text file, and there is generate.sh. and apart from that there is readme.txt. So readme.txt says that you need to run generate.sh command, and it is going to repeat the complete work.txt 700 times into a file called bigtext.txt. Bigtext.dat. Okay. So we need a file something around some big file which takes some time to process, and we don't have a sample, so we are using to complete work of Shakespeare repeated 700 times as our input file. So let me run it and it will generate the file. Okay, it is generating. It will take some time. Let me go to EC2 instance and set up the permission for user which we are going to use to connect to S3. So this is EC2 instance. So in the services I am going to say IAM. So we already created a user earlier, but that don't have permission on S3. So we are going to add permission to that. So there are two users. This is the second user which are going to use for connecting to S3 using AWS CLI. So let me configure permission for that. So we don't have any permissions, so I am going to add permission. So add user to group. I am not going to add it to user any group. So grant permission. Okay, granting permission. What else I can do? So I can create group, grant permission, copy permission from existing user, attach existing policy directory. So I am going to add existing policies. So S3 I am going to search. So Amazon S3 full access. So provide full access to all bucket and via AWS management console. So I am going to use this policy and saying next. And I am going to add permission. So now permission is added. S3 full access is granted, and there is permission boundary also set S3 full access. So it cannot have any access apart from S3. So now it is done. I think it is done. Now let me go to AWS instance. Now it is done 700 times. Now we have a file bigtext.txt. It is around 4 GB. So now let me run the AWS S3 ls command. So it is going to list all buckets. So now it is listing bucket. Now permission is okay. Now let us create a new bucket. S3 MB, and I am going to use this one -EMR. This will be the bucket name. So okay. S3 URL. So you need to say S3 also in the bucket name, otherwise it will not say S3 colon. Now it is created. Now bucket is created. Now I am noting it down this command. Okay, so insert. What all other commands are there? I need to create a directory also in the front bucket. Okay, make bucket help. I don't want make bucket help. I want S3 help. So cp mv rm directory and S3 prefix operation. Okay. How to create directory? cp mv rm single local file operator. CP LSMB MB like there is no mkdir command. Search. So I found a way how to copy it to the S3 bucket in a folder. So what I am going to do is ls, this is bigtech.txt. So AWS S3 CP, and this is the bucket name. Bigtech. This is the folder which we are going to create, and it will copy it there. Okay, I need two arguments. So one argument need to be bigtech.txt. Okay, now let's go. It is being copied to from my local instance to the S3, and then it is going pretty fast at 500 megabytes per second, megabyte per second, because it is a local to C3 from Amazon virtual machine to Amazon S3, so it is doing fast at 60 megabyte per second is a good speed. Let us wait. 1.9 GB done. So I am doing it from a EC2 instance because uploading a 4 GB file from your local PC to Amazon will be take a lot of time. So it is better to upload it from EC2 instance. You prepare it there and put it on the S3 instance, and it will be faster. So that's why it is working out here. So I think it will be transferred within less than a minute. Okay, now it is done. Let me say S3 ls1. Okay, it is there. Now let me create a log folder also. So there is no command to create a folder. So let me leave it there. And there will be output folder also will be needed. So let me create that from S3 console. Services. Okay. Storage. Under storage there is S3. So I am doing there. So there are two buckets. One bucket is data, big data with just one EMR we just created, and under the big text there is a big text to that, and it is around 3.8 GB. So let me create a folder here. Create folder, logs, bucket setting. Okay, logs, and we create a new folder on output. And let me save it. So there are these folders and directories. So now we need to upload the jar into AWS. Okay, the zip the jar file which we just compiled, that need to be uploaded to the text. So okay, let me create a folder on jar also. So on the jar I will put the source code. So I am going to upload and add files. So so now I am going to upload the source code, basically jar file which has compiled. The under workspace, word count, target folder, it is created there. So I am going to upload it, and I say next. I am the owner of it. Okay, and I will have only permission. Next. Okay, now let me go to next. Yes. Okay, it is standard permissions. Okay, let me go ahead and upload it. So now word count of jar is uploaded. So now we have jar also available, input data also available, logs and output directory are created. So now we are good to launch the AWS EMR cluster. So let me go to EMR analytics.